Let's learn how to omit to from a sentence. Instead of that, we are going to use so that. So here we have taken two examples. One is in present tense, another is in past tense. So here the sentence is the old man is too weak to work. That is a positive or affirmative sentence is given and the tense here is present tense. So first, as the subject is given the old man, we will write as it is. After that we are going to use the same verb, that is. Instead of to, we will use so. After that we have the word weak, we will write as it is. Instead of this to, we will use the word that, as we need to change it into so that. So we have written the old man is so weak that. After writing that, we will use a pronoun for this, the old man, and we will use the pronoun he for the old man. And after that, as the sentence was in positive, we need to use the negative word here, as we are changing into so that. So here we will use he cannot work. Here was work, we will write here cannot work. So the sentence is changed into a negative one and we have used so that instead of to. So the final sentence is the old man is so weak that he cannot walk. And now if the tense was a past one, that is was is given here, then the pattern would be same. Only the changes which we need to make is here, instead of using cannot, we will use could not, as this is the past tense of can is could. So we will use here could not. So the sentence will be the girl was too slow to catch the bus. It will be written as the girl was so slow that she could not catch the bus. Students, whenever you will see in the question, you need to omit to, or you need to use so that, or omit to, remove to, make it negative, begin with he or she, is or was so, or if you find in the question make it complex, you will get a single answer for those particular questions. So let's see some of the examples. The boy is too good to speak the truth. This will be written as the boy is so good that he cannot speak the truth. As here we have is, that is the present tense, so it will be cannot. Next one, the news is too good to be true. So this will be the news is so good that it cannot be true. As here the news is the subject, so we are using pronoun it after that. Next one, he is too proud to beg. So this will be written as he is so proud that, we will use the pronoun for the subject he, that will be he itself cannot beg. So the sentence will be he is so proud that he cannot beg. Next one, it is never too late to mend. So here, as you can see, we need to remove to. So it will be written as it is never so late that one. Here one is used because it is the subject. So here one will be used, that is the pronoun for it is cannot mend. Next one, they are too jealous to cooperate. This will be written as they are so jealous that. So here the pronoun is they. So here also we will use they cannot cooperate. Next one, Saurabh is too talented to fail in the exam. So here it will be written as Saurabh is so talented that. After that we need to use the pronoun for Saurabh. So we have used he will not fail in the examination. As here we have is, so we will use will not. Next one, he is too ignorant for a postman. So this will be he is so ignorant that, we will use the pronoun for the subject here, that is he cannot be a postman. Next one, the tree is too high for me to climb. This will be written as the tree is so high that, here I cannot climb it, because here for me is there, so we will write after that I. Here we will not write the pronoun for the subject, that is the tree. Here, as I cannot climb, who is doing the work? Here the work is done by me, so we will use the pronoun for this me, that will be I. Next one, he is far too stupid for such a difficult post. This will be written as he is so stupid that he is not suitable for such a difficult post. Next one, the fact is too evident to require proof. This will be written as the fact is so evident that. So we will use the pronoun for this particular the fact, it will be it, does not require proof. Next one, the shirt is too small for me. This will be written as the shirt is so small that. We will use the pronoun for the shirt, that is does not suit me. Next one, the tree is too high for me to climb. We have already discussed this question before. There we need to omit two, but here the question is make it complex. The answer will be same. Next one, the bag was too heavy for me to carry. This will be written as the bag was so heavy that I could not carry it. As it was heavy for me, so we will use the pronoun I here. The old man was too weak to carry the load. This will be written as the old man was so weak that he could not carry the load. Here the verb is was, so it will be could not cannot. Next one, the boy was so small that he could not reach the branches of the tree. So here so that is given, we need to change it into to or a positive one. Here we have could not, and here we need to change into positive one or affirmative sentence. So the sentence will be the boy was too small to reach up the branches of the tree. So instead of so we have written here two. Instead of that we have written here that is to, and we will not use this he could not, as this one will be changed and it will be written as from the here that is reach up the branches of the tree. So we are coming back from the previous step, means we are doing the reverse thing here. Next one, the boy spoke so fast that he could not be understood. Here the sentence will be the boy spoke too fast to be understood. So here we will change this so into two and this that into to. We will just ignore this all things that we use in case of that. Here we are using two, so we will be ignoring this all and we will write to be understood here. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular class. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. Students, keep learning with fun with Prudence Coaching English class.